Stop scrolling. Seriously. Look at your junk drawer right now. It's full of broken tools and missing bits, isn't it? You waste time, you scratch your devices, and you still can't fix that one loose screw. You don't need a toolbox, you need a toolkit. This is the 140-in-1 magnetic precision set. It's the entire home tech repair shop right here. 140 bits. Every single Torx, Phillips, and Pentalobe you need to open your iPhone, your MacBook, your gaming console, your smartwatch, everything. The bits are magnetic, they're high-grade steel, and they're guaranteed to fit. Stop paying $50 for a 5-minute repair. For less than the cost of a dinner out, you can fix it yourself. Click the link right now to grab the 140-in-1 set and finally take control of your tech repairs. Go. Home Gadgets.